Hi, I'm Derek. This is Mendix Malt, a space where the community can come together and discuss various aspects of the platform over some beer. Today I have Werner Grobler with me. We're going to be talking about what it's like to get started on the platform. Okay, I'm here with Werner Grobler. Werner is a Mendix business engineer. He's joined about a year ago and he's been working with a number of Mendix projects. And I've invited him on board to tell us a little bit about what it's like to get started from nothing, not knowing anything on Mendix, all the way through to releasing your first production app and having users engage on it and use it consistently.
Hi Derek, thanks for having me. It's great being here. And I'm coming from a business background. Started with Mendix, as Derek said, about a year ago. And I really liked it. It's really quick to jump on the learning curve.
So for Werner's first project, he was tasked with creating a conference app. The point of the app was to create functionality around the conference and promote engagement within the conference. So tell us a little bit about how you approached that project and how you turned it into a success.
Well, I had about a month to build the whole project, and it's quite a quick deadline to build a whole mobile application for about 80 users, I think was it. And I had 2 weeks before that where I watched the Mendix introduction videos, and then after that I started building the application. And it was quite fun to do, very quick to build, very easy to understand. I'm coming from a business background with a degree in informatics. Mendix takes care of a lot of the hard coding and stuff, and I was just left solving the logic issues and problems.
And what was it like actually moving out of development phase to releasing into production? So in traditional IT companies, then there's always a bit of the over-the-wall handover or something like that. But what is your experience and learning curve around just getting this thing into the world to be used?
Very quick and easy. I actually just did a demo for our in-house team that had a quick look at it, and they gave a few ideas. We broke a bit of it down and rebuilt a few of it. But luckily with Mendix, that only took me a whole week to, I think, rebuild half of the application. And a week after that, we went live.
Cool.
Very quick and easy.
Cool. Let's get some beer. So, tell us about what beer you got.
I went to the fridge quickly and grabbed a Stellenbrau from Stellenbosch. It's a student town here close to Cape Town, and they really like their beer a lot, and they make very good beer.
You can't go wrong then.
No,
people that drink that much beer, you can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong. Apparently they set a world record.
Awesome. Okay, so I got a Devil's Peak lager. So Devil's Peak is also located here in Cape Town. It's located right at the foot of Table Mountain. So if you go and have a beer at this brewery, you'll get a lovely view of the mountain. So for companies looking at getting Mendix into their technology stack, who don't know anything about Mendix and who don't have any skill within their company to develop Mendix apps, what should they be looking for? What should they be worried about? And what should they not be worried about when adopting Mendix?
Ensure that the staff that you have in office and hiring them for the stuff, they can solve logic problems. I think that's the main thing, because Mendix takes care of a lot of the coding in the background and a lot of the technical stuff. As soon as you can break up a logical problem and then know how to implement that, it's easy to use the platform to build that. Mendix leaves all the logical thinking for you as an end user to actually build in the background. And it's a really nice program to work with.
So then when you got stuck, everybody gets stuck?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
How did you get around that problem? Where did you find the answer from?
Well, the Mendix community out there is also quite helpful. I've posted a few questions on the forums and stuff, and got some advice on there. And then my colleagues helped me actually with a problem this morning, solving a OData into Mendix for reporting. That was quite nice, and so ready to build reports now.
Werner, thanks for coming on board and sharing some of your stories with us and experience on how you got on board in the platform. I want to appeal to the community. If you have something that you'd like to see on the show, if you have suggestions about how we can do things better or particular topics that you'd like to see, we really want to hear from you. Please either obviously add a comment below or send us a message. We'd love it. Until next time, cheers.
Cheers.
That was
Oh
really
no,
good.
brown cow.
Oh no, brown cow.